Right, what's up, Centrals? We're back with, I think it's part 2 of the den building, and we have chosen another den. It's actually, I'm going to show you. Is this one right here? We have some support.
A lovely stick.
Where we can, yeah, so like this, what we can do with it, it's wedged in the tree. This isn't a root or a thing, this is a dead stick, guys.
Oh, break it.
I think it's completely stuck in there.
Oh gosh.
No, that's fine.
That's fine. Okay, we can fix that later.
And I do want to
We've got this nice little canopy.
We
Yeah.
have something over here. So, some of these are just like dead, really.
Hey, James.
Well, not dead, but some of them are just falling out of the ground. And what we do is we use them over here as like a flooring. And I think what we're going to do for our next den is we're going to pick up some of this and we're going to use it for an overhead little feel, so it feels a lot better. And so
Also, so then we don't get as hot in the sun. Hey, guys.
see you in a bit.
Bye.
Right, what's up, Central? We've cleared out a good area. We've cleared out the leaves. And we've done some extra things. We've put this here. We're going to go get some leaves from our old base and put them over. Fortunately, our friend Ryan ran away and he left us. But, you know, still me and Toby as usual. So we'll probably update you in a bit. Goodbye. Right, so we've been clearing out the den. Oh, hold on, there's like a stick here.
Hey, that's mine.
We've cleared out an area on the floor, so you could definitely tell the difference between, for example, this stuff here and what you're standing on. We've also added some support beams. We've moved some dead sticks around. Hopefully they don't fall on us.
Made a thatch roof.
But we've also put thatch roof here. Now, we think it looks pretty cool.
So then from inside the den, it's pretty cool. And we are planning on filling up these gaps right here to make like a whole wall, and then having like a little area there. We might be able to have an area over there with like a table-ish thing.
Table.
And then we're thinking about fixing the thatch roof to go like over like the top of here, but
It would be hard and we'd need to find quite a lot of dead thatch.
yeah, can't really find on the floor that often.
We're lucky we found what we did.
Yeah. And then also we might be able to extend up there next to that house.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Mm.
It's me, of course. Anyway, you could definitely
Nearly knocked it off.
Yeah, don't knock the thatch roof over. He's going to put his head through it. Remember, if you want to see anything more like this or that, make sure to put it in the comments. We do have a special video coming up. It should be out sometime soon. Might not be as long as some of the other ones, but it will be. And we might do another co-op vlog if you like it, another den vlog, and
Also leave suggestions for what vlogs we can do in the comments, or like what you would enjoy seeing.
we're planning summer holidays, so in about 5 weeks.
5 weeks, 4 weeks.
We have 6 weeks off, and we can do everything
Mad
dedicated
stuff.
to you.
You might be coming on a camping trip to Norfolk,
I might.
staying overnight for 2 weeks. That'll be 2 weeks,
weeks.
2 days.
2 days.
That'll be fun.
We will be doing stuff like that. We probably have a punishment wheel coming up,
Oh golly.
which is going to end absolutely awful.
Awful for us and our
yeah.
school reputation that we
So-
totally have.
Yeah, it'll be like mushroom hair confirmed after I get wet. So, yeah, that'll be coming up. And what other special videos will be probably coming up?
Oh, we've got a lot planned.
We have a gaming channel as well.
Gaming channel. Oh yeah, I'll
Link
drop
that in
that.
the description.
Drop it in the
Go
description.
have a look, subscribe, like. Yeah,
Yeah.
Do that.
Sentry game or gaming sentry.
Gear Century.
Gaming sentry.
And more stuff like this. And
It's on our related channels on our channel page, so no, you don't have to go search for it.
yeah. Isn't this a nice tree?
Lovely.
What else should we show? Oh, you know, let's show them how long the other den floor has lasted. 'Cause I'm so surprised. We found all of it, and we was like,
Look how much is just dead on the floor over here. Stuff like that. Like, look at that. Where it's just dead on the floor. Trampled.
Dead.
We think.
some people come in here,
Yeah.
trample stuff, and other.
And
I
destroy
think they do
dens.
cut some of the leaves and that. Like the people who live near here, they do like to keep it trim. So you'll find lots of this
Like
stuff,
alive but dead.
stuff on the floor.
Well, it's dying,
it's-
but like, look at it. It's like not dead.
It's
green.
dying and it's like crispy, but it's still
It's
green.
crispy.
Like you can hear it. It's definitely dead,
Yeah.
but it stayed green. Oh my god! Look how much of this we could have just used.
Oh well, we're smart, aren't we?
Ugh.
There's also like loads. We've got a massive tree here that always sheds like all of its stuff. Yeah, like look on the floor. There's a bunch of needles. Like right here, I've just found a random bit on the floor. Green.
You can see stuff from like this. This is like the dead pieces of that.
Yeah, like dead
So-
needles. These we could probably make like a proper dead thatch roof. That might be fun.
Dead fat tree.
Yeah, so no, it's not green, but so no, it's camo.
Camo.
Yeah, camo thatch roof.
Use dead things for camo. Anyway, so
Also, guys, can we go show them the sewage thing?
the sewage ring. Oh, what the thing that's decaying brick.
Just shedding out all of its bricks, coming back through. Maybe we should make this a pathway and then have a den going off there. So
That
this
would be cool.
This
Like
is a really nice pathway going through,
like
to the
a world
extra-
of imagination, you know?
and then like look, there's like this well down there. It's not even got a pipe. Probably World War II. These bricks have seen a lot, I would.
So it looks literally just like a wall. So
There's falling bricks off.
yeah,
like
look,
there's
it's
bricks
just
everywhere. Yeah.
What is that
Lovely.
stuff? Oh, looks like some hard concrete.
Concrete.
Oh, there's a pipe there.
Where?
I'm gonna step down here and then trying to find out it's a river.
No, it's not. Where's the pipe?
Here.
Oh, lovely.
That's
A
Coming
lovely
from
pipe. Okay.
that's when it starts spewing out sewage.
Sewage, just a bunch of poo. Yeah, and then we might build a den here.
I know another special.
Comment if you want to build a den here. Can get their Wi-Fi next door.
Be doing a litter picking video in the future.
We should do that as one of the challenge wheel options. We have to go litter picking.
It's not too bad, is it?
No.
I'd like to do it.
We could probably do it around our dens in here. We're
Yeah.
probably going to do a lot of videos in here.
A lot. This is our little area. Yeah.
What's this on the wall? We've got some wood on the wall.
Yeah, but that's someone's thing.
I know, but
They're
it's...
not taking that down.
No, we could grow a plant up it.
Grow a plant up it.
Yes, we're gonna get some seeds and grow,
Grow a
some
plant up
sunflowers.
it. Toby's inspirational quote.
We're gonna get some seeds and be really cool in here. Oh golly, what was that? Okay,
It is. I just found a piece of brick. Look, that's the sort of brick that's just scattered around everywhere.
yeah, maybe we could go brick hunting. Yeah, so guys, I think that's it for today. We got a fat roof or
I
half.
think our factory does look very fancy.
Yeah, I think it looks fancy, but
It's gonna be gone by tomorrow.
just
Don't destroy it.
it's not very supported. Also, this is a bit of a hazard, isn't it?
Jesus, Toby.
It's a bit of a hazard to our male viewers out there.
Oh yeah. So I just want to walk into the den. Oh, good lords of heaven.
Lovely.
But yeah, I think we're gonna leave it off here. I want to do the outro. I want to do the roof.
Okay, yeah, no, you can do the out. Oh gosh, and the sun shining through them trees. How lovely.
Right. So, goodbye, Vlog Central. See you in the next one. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn post notifications on. Goodbye.
Hotel room tango.